What's up, fam? How are you? Welcome back to my channel. I cannot wait to get started on today's video. You guys are going to absolutely love the two healthier desserts that I have planned for you today. They are going to be perfect for cooling off this summer, as well as being dairy and gluten-free desserts. So 2 weeks ago, I had made this video up here, which you can see at the top. And in that video, they're called like my current obsessions or monthly favorites type videos, as some people would call them. But in those videos, I share the things that I've come across in my health, fitness, personal development journey, especially food. I love food, and so whenever it is that I come across healthier food that has awesome ingredients, I get so excited and I literally just want to tell the entire world about them. But in that video, I had mentioned my favorite dairy-free ice cream called Fronen. Now, I recently stocked up with more of their ice cream, especially my favorite flavors, and their newest flavor, which I'll show you guys here real quick, is the Madagascar Vanilla. I really wanted to check this flavor out, see how it is that I liked it. I'll show you guys the rest of the other flavors here in a second. But if you guys didn't know, July is National Ice Cream Month. So I thought, you know, let's do something fun here on my channel, obviously with a healthier twist. And this upcoming Sunday, July 21st, is National Ice Cream Day. So why not, right? They do have other flavors. They have a chocolate, strawberry, the Madagascar Vanilla, which I just showed you, cinnamon, and finally their banana coconut. So the chocolate is my absolute favorite. Definitely stocked up on this one. So the ingredients for the banana are just, or for the chocolate, is banana, water, coconut cream, honey, and cocoa powder. That is it. All of these ice creams are also free of dairy, refined sugar, gluten, gums, sugar alcohols, and soy. Some of those things do cause digestive issues for some people, such as bloating. So I'm glad that Fronen does not include any of that in their ice creams. Now, I won't be using all of their flavors for today's video. I'll be using my top 3 favorites, which are the chocolate, the strawberry, and their newest, the Madagascar Vanilla. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Okay guys, are you ready for this ice cream goodness? Because this is what we're making for this very first healthy dessert. It is a healthier banana split sundae drizzled off with some dark chocolate. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is going to be the first dessert. The second dessert is going to involve baking. This is super simple to make, so let's just jump into it. So the ingredients that I will be using for these healthier banana split sundaes include bananas, got some organic strawberries here, and blueberries. The strawberries and the banana I will be cutting up into smaller pieces. I already have my Fronen out because if you leave it on your countertop for a couple of minutes, it does get even creamier. And over here we have our toppings. Not quite sure if I'm going to use all these toppings. That might be a little overwhelming for my preference when it comes to sundaes. But if you want some peanut butter on your sundae, highly recommend Wild Friends. This is their classic creamy peanut butter. This peanut butter is so much cleaner in comparison to the peanut butter that I used to eat. So the ingredients in here are just roasted peanuts and sea salt. There isn't any inflammatory oils or anything like that, which is awesome. I made some dairy and gluten-free chocolate granola. Not quite sure if I'm going to use that yet, but I will for sure be drizzling a little bit of this Hue Kitchen dark chocolate. This is by far one of my favorite dark chocolate brands. I've talked about it before here on my channel. I think it was also in another like favorites video, but they do have other flavors. My go-to is just their salty dark chocolate. It is also dairy and gluten free. Okay, strawberries and half of a banana is now cut into smaller pieces. Just gotta melt the dark chocolate. I'll be melting this in the microwave, starting off with around 30 seconds at a time. Once that's melted, we can put the sundae together. All right, my dark chocolate is melted. I'm gonna start off with the strawberry Fronen, Madagascar Vanilla next. And last but not least, the chocolate. Now we add in all of the fruit. Just kind of sprinkle it around everywhere before all the ice cream melts. I'm like trying to hurry up here. Banana next, and the strawberries. And of course, that drizzle of the dark chocolate. There you have it, a healthier banana split made with awesome ingredients, and it is dairy and gluten free. Moving on to healthier dessert number 2. Like I said, this one is going to involve some baking, you guys, but don't worry, this is super simple to do, and these brownies come out amazing. So this is Simple Mills' newest almond flour mix. It is the one in brownie. And you guys, if you see this at the grocery store, get your hands on it and grab a couple of boxes because it is that good. The first time I tried it, I was actually really impressed at how good these brownies tasted. Had to go back to the grocery store and buy some more. Now, this isn't the first time that I've talked about Simple Mills before. If you watched my 4th of July video, I made 4th of July kebabs with this chocolate muffin and cake almond flour mix. And if you're ever craving waffles or pancakes, highly recommend you look into this mix. Now, the only thing that you do have to pay attention to is the packaging on the back. And also, all of these mixes are dairy, gluten, grain, and soy free, along with having much better ingredients. But as I was saying, on the back, it will tell you some additional ingredients that you'll need in order to make the mix. So for this brownie mix, you'll need some water. You can either use butter or oil. Since I am keeping these dairy free, I'll be melting some coconut oil. And then I do need some pasture-raised eggs, so I have 2 of them here. For the ice cream, I'm keeping things super simple and just using the Madagascar Vanilla. And this, you guys, this is my newest find. I'm so excited about it. I found them on Instagram. This is the Supernatural Rainbow Starfetti. Much better ingredients for you in comparison to other sprinkles out there. And they also have no artificial colors. Okay, now aside from the mix, in a glass container, you'll need to crack 2 eggs. I whisked those up, added 3 tablespoons of water, and then here I have half a cup of coconut oil. You just want to make sure that when you add the coconut oil into your mix, it is melted and cooled off. So I've added the melted coconut oil and the brownie mix into the glass container, gave it a really good mix. And as you can see, there is mini chocolate chips in this brownie mix. Those chocolate chips, you guys, give this brownie such a rich and chocolatey goodness taste. My house is about to smell heavenly. So in a glass container, this one here, this is an 8x8. I'm going to pour the brownie mix into here, and my oven is already preheated to 400 degrees. The other thing that I did is I greased this pan with coconut oil. The brownies are done, and I seriously wish you could smell my house right now because it smells amazing. So these brownies baked for 25 minutes at 400 degrees. And now the hardest part, we wait for them to cool down. Let me know down in the comments if you like the edges or the middle of the brownie. Give me all the edges. All the edges are probably going to be gone by today. I just like that crunchiness, that crispiness, and the coconut oil, or if you use butter, you just get all that flavor on the edge, and it's fantastic. Okay, enough talking. I'm gonna wait for them to cool down, and then I'll put some ice cream on top. The healthier brownies have finally cooled off. I cut myself a nice big piece here. These are going to be crispy on the outside, super soft on the inside. Topped it off with 1 scoop of the Madagascar Vanilla, along with some sprinkles. Got some strawberries on the side here. And the last thing that I will say about Simple Mills is that if you do make any of their mixes, make sure to store them in the refrigerator because they don't contain any preservatives, and you don't want these brownies or any of the mixes that you make to go bad. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed these healthier summer desserts. Take care, and I'll see you guys next Thursday. Bye guys.